guys, Joel here from Mobility and Wellness. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you just how the Aspire Vogue carbon fibre seat walker in the tall model is going to arrive. As you're about to see, it does not require any tools for assembly. It is 100% assembled with a few minor adjustments. Once we have it out the box, the walker will be ready to use. To start with, let's open the box. Carefully remove the walker from the box. Once out of the box, remove any packaging that is on the walker. Done. As you'll notice, the walker is locked when you have pulled it out the box. That's due to the lock when fold button here on the front. To unlock, simply push this red button in. Your walker now will start to unfold. Simply push down on either side of the seat, locking the walker into place. Next, what you're going to want to do is adjust the handle heights. Because it is a tall model, they will be a lot higher than normal. Simply release the adjustment knobs on either side. Find your desired height, firmly lock the adjustment knob into place. Repeat on the other side. Next, you're going to check the brakes. The brakes are preset when it arrives, but as always, it's good to check. Simply go for a little stroll, locking the brakes in. Check the locking brakes. Your walker should not move. As I've just demonstrated, once you do have the walker out of the box, it does not require any assembly or tools. A few minor adjustments of the handle heights and unfolding the walker, you're ready to go. You do not have to put the backrest, the bag, the handles, the brakes, or the wheels together. It's all done. If you would like any more information on this walker or any of our other range, please visit us at mobilityandwellness.com.au or give us a call 1300 108 280. Thanks for watching, guys.